Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy GetResponse easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the GetResponse website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click Create Account. Check your email for a confirmation link from GetResponse. Click the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log in to your GetResponse account. You'll be greeted with an onboarding wizard. Follow the prompts to set up your account. Add your business name and website URL when prompted. Now, navigate to the Contacts tab on the left menu. Import your contacts by clicking on the Import button. Choose a file from your computer or connect to another platform to import contacts. Select the list you want to add your contacts to. Once uploaded, you may need to adjust your contact settings. Next, go to the Email Marketing tab. Click on Create Newsletter to start designing your email. Choose a template that fits your brand style. Customize the template by adding your content and images. Make sure to personalize your message for better engagement. Preview your email to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click Next to set up your email subject line. Schedule the sending time or choose to send it immediately. Review all your settings before finalizing the email. Now, let's set up an automated workflow. Navigate to the Automation tab. Click on Create Workflow to get started. Add actions based on that trigger, such as sending a welcome email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.